hear some important safety announcements before we begin our show. Please stay out of the doggies' designated area so we can give you the best show possible. It's for the safety of our furry family members and yours. Please do not lean on the fence at any time. Feel free to take as many pictures and videos as you like. Only thing we ask is to upload them to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and tag us at the Pompeyo family. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, here they come, the Pompeyo family.
We are the Pompeyo family, and these are our amazing rescue dogs. Yeah.
Woo. That's right. I am George.
I'm Natalia.
Howdy, I'm Isabella.
So sassy.
And this is Gina, Estella, Ginny, Nala, Rio, Nicholas, Richie, Tom, Blue, Tom, Olaf, and Little Horse.
Someone's out of breath. You need a minute?
Yes.
For those of you who couldn't know us, we're proud owners of AAA Pet Resort in Bradenton, Florida. We're fourth generation of dog trainers. We travel all over the world with our dogs. Latest and the most exciting experience we had is on Channel Nickelodeon, Show Unleashed, and America's Got Talent. And guess what? We went all the way to semifinals. Thank you. And now we're excited to bring our show to you. Are you ready? Yay! George, we gotta train them.
Come on, we can do better than that. Let's try it one more time. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Come on!
Great. We just pushing this button. We're gonna start with the show.
Uh-oh.
Nicholas, Isabella, what are you doing?
We never get to tell people about our family.
Oh, you talking about us. They can find us in Wikipedia.
No, about the dogs.
Oh, about the dogs. You know what, Natalia? She is right.
She is absolutely right.
Our dogs are really incredible. Now it's time to show them off.
You guys want to hear more about our dogs? All right, I'll tell you some cool facts about them. Most of the dogs you'll see performing here today are various breeds of poodles. Poodles are scientifically proven to be one of the smartest breeds. Originally, they came from France. They were bred to hunt. They can run 35 miles an hour and jump 6 foot high. While poodles make great performance dogs, they can be too smart for our own good. They can be hard to keep them from getting bored. Luckily, that's where we come in. For the last 10 years, we've been traveling the country looking for the new stars to add to our show. To do so, we find unwanted or abandoned dogs and we train them to be stars of the show. So when the new doggy come in, we let them play with Nicholas and Isabella. During those play days, we're looking at the dogs' natural abilities and develop those into the tricks for the show. Thank you, Isabella. Thank you, Nicholas.
And speaking of natural abilities, here is Nala. Nala is a black and white border collie. We found Nala in Dallas, Texas. The owner was forced to sell her because she received so many complaints from the neighbors.
It turns out Nala had been jumping from her backyard over 6 foot fence into the neighbor's lawn and was stealing all their chickens. Most of people would think of your behavior as a nuisance, but we saw an amazing athlete in her, and immediately, without a second thought, adopted her. And now she's a star of our show. Nala, show us what you've got.
Okay, Nala.
What you got?
Okay, Nala. Ready?
That was pretty good, but you know what? I think Nala can jump even higher. Do you guys want to see her jump higher? Oh, I cannot hear you. I love the energy. Great, let's raise the bar. Mr. Chicken, please get into your position for motivation. Thank you. Let's get Nala ready.
Okay, Nala, let's get ready. We're ready.
All right, she's all ready, and I think she's gonna need your help. Can you all say, go, Nala, go? Continue. Again. Louder. Good job. Let's do one more, Nala. One more. Keep cheering you up. Hey, hey. amazing, gorgeous, pretty, talented diva, Marilyn. Marilyn is a black and white rat terrier, and she's the biggest diva of them all. She loves to attend parties and celebrations, and of course to show off her impeccable style. Give big and warm welcome to our diva, Marilyn! That's right, go to daddy. If we don't treat you like a queen, you say, watch out, guys. So give your big round of applause, everybody. These dogs are the most incredible dogs we could ever hope for. Every night before we go to bed, we sit down on the couch, they put their head on our lap, we give them love and attention. It doesn't matter where they come from, what size or shape they are. We always treat them as a family member. So please always consider to go to your local shelter and adopt a pet from there. Remember, you could have your future superstar in your hands. I think we spoke a lot about how each of the dogs can be a star. Are you guys ready to continue with the show? Oh, I cannot hear you! Yes, love it. Isabella, Nicholas, come and help me to push the button. Help us to count down from